Bjørn's busy in his garage when a call-out comes in.
Yeah. I get a phone call from different truck drivers up on the mountain that tell it's been an accident with 2 trucks.
Over 1,000 meters above sea level, 2 trucks have collided head-on. The crash is on National Route 7, connecting the 2 largest cities in Norway, the capital Oslo and the international seaport of Bjørn.
So now the whole road on Route 7 is closed.
In Eidfjord, there's torrential rain, but higher up on the Hardangervidda, rain turns into snow and ice.
The roads are slippery, so we have to go.
Bjørn and Ørjan start out on the 60-kilometer journey to the crash site.
It's snowy and the road is quite slippery.
Bjørn's tow truck packs 8-wheel drive, but for every meter it climbs, conditions worsen.
I'm in a rush. There's 2 trucks blocking the road.
To reach them, Bjørn passes a long line of traffic.
The traffic is come to a halt because there's no way to pass.
The authority wants the road reopened as quickly as possible.
Oh.
But Bjørn spots something that makes speed even more essential.
There's an ambulance, so we have to try to do it quickly.
The ambulance has not attended the crash, but is on an emergency call. Bjørn wastes no time in assessing the rescue.
When I come down, I see 2 trucks that has crashed, and the one is standing on the road, and the other one is out in the ditch.